What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Brady? Quick demo for you for your custom Orgus Den flagship. This is my last commission before I pick up and move. This was supposed to be here a couple days ago, actually, but the mail system was just throwing this all over the country, and it came today. So I was ready for it, and obviously got it done today too, right? But we'll go over everything. It is installed with the Proffie V2. You've got a dual, this is an aluminum dual tactile switch from TJ Wells over Ignition Saber Company. So your top switch is your activation. Your bottom here is your auxiliary. You've got this blue Cobuchon blade retention from Robert Sotomayor over at Sorok Sabers. That's really cool. It's got shine through. CC Sabers in here, free lit PCB. And then you just want to unscrew the handle to get to everything. I think this is a V1 flagship. One, because it has the God, that's called. It goes on your belt, right? I forgot what is it called. Covertech screw. That's what it is, right? It's got the Covertech screw that the V1s had, and then the threads seem just a tad longer than the usual flagship, but I could be wrong there. But anyway, when you take the handle off, here's your chassis. I try to take some design cues from your actual Saber. So they don't match exactly, but I just try, just to have them match a little bit. They just don't replicate each other. So you got all this etching on your shroud. So I put a little bit over here, just a little bit bigger. And then I put this little emblem here because you have that twice on your handle over here and here. So I just kind of put that here, but did mix it up a little bit on the inside down here, right? And then Smuggler's Outpost emblem right here. But you got your Proffie is glued down to the shelf, but you can get to your SD card and take it out and your micro USB without ever moving the board. You got a removable battery setup here, and then you've got a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker here in the back. Let's throw a battery in this guy real quick. I did get all of your sound fonts on here that you sent me. So as you know, I did have to take the Covertech screw and chop it down just a hair, but it's no biggie. I probably cut about 3.5 threads off of it or so, right? But we'll throw that on and lock this handle in. Now, if you come over here and hit activation up top, so you got your LEDs are firing up like they should, both your windows, and you got your shine through here. Auxiliary. And you got twist off. We'll throw a blade in here real quick. As you know, this takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. The blade fits in here a little snug, but that's no biggie. And we'll lock it down. We'll go another one.
They're pod racing on Malister. Very fast, very dangerous.
Sound fonts on here. You just want to do a long press on the activation when the saber's off. Nice and loud. And then do it again to turn off. I gave you a yellow unstable for this. Shine through in your eye.
Ignition.
Right off that.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Super loud. I think Sons of Corellia's on here too. Yeah. All of them are just screaming out of the saber. Just like that, right? So we'll go ahead. We'll take the blade out of here and then go over taking the battery out. Really easy to do. Just want to unscrew the handle again. And then from the positive side of the battery, which is over here by the speaker, you can pop it out with your finger, just like that. And that's pretty much your flagship. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow morning. All right, thanks.